thing that makes life interesting is that there are positive sum games. The fact that there are some things where it's not a dog-eat-dog world. I got into research out of curiosity. Love following interesting ideas and then see where it takes me. There are only, I think, two foundational reasons why we have positive sum games. One is innovation. Innovation is the alchemy of converting a non-resource into a resource. Another reason is coordination. 5 people come together and do something more than the sum of the parts. Even if you don't have economic security, you get majority honest security for a second. And I saw crypto as an opportunity to reduce the trust frictions that impede any kind of coordination.